South Caloocan.
Oh, tapos sa deck natin, sorry, may request na yung participant kung okay lang daw pakipatay. Okay. Sorry kayo, pakipagyan.
Kasi nasisilaw sila.
Factor yan sa performance ng mga participants natin.
Oo nga. Mas maganda pag medyo madilim ng konti. Sige, all the way from South Caloocan. Tingnan natin kung siya pa rin po ang magiging kampiyon ngayong taon na to sa ating Binyan Stair Challenge. Our defending champion, Arwin Philip Ralios.
In 3, 2, 1, music! We go for working player, Hombre Tequila. One team, one bottle. Rolling. There's the catch. Pass is good. Another catch. Woo! There we go.
Sir Pao, tinitikman na ni Miss Brenda at ni Miss Ed yung first cocktail mix natin. Yung may Sprite sauce. At parang magpapagalaw daw siya mamaya.
So mamaya, marami pa tayo mag-pwede.
Siyempre, support niyo Pao sa dyan po yan sa may Perpetual.
Yes, thank you. And the power trip.
First drink is done.
5 minutes left. 5 minutes.
5 minuto na lang.
One thing in one power exhibition player. Going for exhibition player, finger roll. Manila smoothness. Tap, 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 tap. Hey! Here we go. Behind the back catch. Shadow pass. Hey. Nice catch. Shadow pass. Nice catch. Perfect. Bump, bump.
Nasa porta po.
Nice catch. Okay, watch this. Big move, bad rock, and a basket. Nice upgrade, sir. And a floor. Perfect catch yung mga powerbank natin. Now put it in on Captain Rock. From Destiny and Equado.
In fairness, mahusay ka mga naka-standby na naka-orange.
Yes. Bongka na bongka.
Parang gusto ko magpasalo sa kanila mamaya.
Ay, sample yan, sample.
Isa-isa din natin. Alright.
Hey! Two of one thing. Pop. Go, shot pass. 2 bottles and 2 kings.
Nice one.
Excellent.
Parang very calculated yung moves.
Yes.
Oh.
So it took time para makapag-practice na.
Oo. Kaya bartending talaga is a profession kasi it requires skills eh. Diba?
Here we go. Multiple minutes. And a bottle. Cookies and one bottle of cookies.
Pao, dumadami na ang ating manonood sa plaza.
Marami tayong ipapamigay pa ng mga giveaways yan.
Mukhang marami ang malalasing sa atin ngayon.
Three models, here we go. Esto. Watch this, Pinyan. Here we go for switching, shuffle. Nice catch, hang back. Here we go, 1, 2. Bubble high ball. Watch this, high spin. Perfect execution from Argentinian Radios. Here we go, forward ball routine. Switch, switch. Eso. 1 minute left, sir. 1 minute.
1 minute! Isang minuto na lang. 2 more drinks sa Calgary.
Rolling. Nice execution of your privilege.
Grabe yung reflexes nito, no?
Sobrang totak na bata.
Oo. Kakaiba ang timing ng mga galamay at mata. Very well coordinated.
30 seconds left. 30 seconds. And set the floor for the perfect drink. Nice. Garnish with orange peel to release yung aroma dun sa drink.